Do you find it difficult to compare Capex ideas? Do you lack overview? Ever doubted you made the right decision? Do you even know how far you are from a state-of-the-art Capex solution? Well, you're not alone. Less than 5% of multinational organizations have a fully integrated digital Capex management and capital budgeting process. And self-developed Excel, SharePoint, or workflow solutions do not qualify in the 5%. These jerry-built solutions are often semi-manual, incomplete, and detached from one another, leading to time-consuming and error-prone decision-making, curbing creativity. On top of that is the struggle to keep it up-to-date, accurate, and future-proof, which comes at a considerable cost. Take charge of your Capex and budgeting process by going digital. All companies will eventually do this. Gain a competitive advantage and surpass the other 95%. We are the global thought leaders of capital allocation and Capex strategies. Since 1994, we have helped more than 700 production sites across the globe make Weissr Capex decisions. Weissr Capex is developed in close cooperation with our world-class customers. It's designed to optimize the Capex management process, driving value, control, and compliance. Prioritize between investments and be 100% sure you are making decisions with the latest data. Digitize your process to unleash your team's creativity. Our unique implementation model creates a complete acceptance from day one. Weissr Capex Management and Capital Budgeting. Make wiser decisions.